Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swamy Vijay, and this is Swamy Vijay speaking to all. In this video I am going to show you what are the advantages of purchasing EMRS, PGT and TGT Tier 1 Google Book. Okay, so if you have already purchased, you might have already downloaded the Playbooks app. So this is the Playbooks app, you can see on screen. So let me open it. So once it is opened, let me go back, and here you can see these books are already downloaded in my library. So if you want to read EMRS 2025 Tier 1 Preliminary, after purchase you will get this book in your library, Playbooks library. Then you can tap it. You can purchase using even Google Play Store also directly. Now this you can see the black format. Let me come to the first page, and on top you can see that AA. If you tap that one, you will find different, like you can convert this into full white, or this one already you have seen, and this one is the actually the paper reading. That means like a book, you can read this without any problem. So let me now show you. So this is the general what you call Swamy Vijay's EMRS Tier 1 preliminary book, general awareness, reasoning ability, knowledge of ICT, teaching aptitude, domain knowledge, general English and Hindi, and this is for the 2026 exam. Now what are the features? First let me show you the pages one by one. If you tap on the right side, the page moves, that means to the next page. If you tap on the left side, you will go back to the previous page. So you have to tap on the right side to move to the next page. Okay, so these are the contents in this book. I have given 4 practice papers for EMRS PGT Tier 1 examination. So let us move forward. Okay, so likewise you can go through it and read the strategy, then come to preface. Okay, this is the syllabus prescribed for Tier 1 PGT syllabus for EMRS Tier 1 examination, and this is the question paper, practice question paper. Now what are the different types of what you call benefits you find or you get if you are using this Google book other than ebook? Now let me show you. Let me go forward and let me go to the next question. Here, so these are the questions. Okay, now you can use this book even to search and browse and understand and even to translate. So let me first open the general awareness part. So this is the general awareness part. It almost all looks like a normal paper. So let me show you. See, you can see, you feel like you are reading a normal paper, normal book only. Now I want to show you the advantages of this ebook. Now here it is, see, you can see here the 1813 Charter Act is there. Now you have read this Charter Act. In English it is given, and if you can't understand this, now there is a solution for that. You can translate this into your mother tongue. So let me show you how to do that. First you have to tap on that one. It's a full screen split view side over. Okay, then again you tap here. You see here this one double A, correct? AA. Tap that one. You can change this the lighting and the brightness, and there are other features are there. Okay, now what are the other features are? If you don't understand what is this 1813 Charter Act, just tap on this and you can see here it start highlight. You can highlight it, you bring it to here and then move this to charter. Now here what you can do is, let me zoom it. Okay, so what you can do is, first you have to select it. Okay, and then completely select the part which you want to read. Now here you can see the plus button, then XA and A. Now you can even highlight this text with a separate color also. So you can highlight this one, and then the most important features are, you can see here plus. If you tap plus, you can prepare your notes here. So whatever you have understood, you can write notes here. And then another benefit is, again I'll tap, again another benefit here is, if you can't understand this which is given in English, tap this XA button. Now here you can see the auto detect is there, and you can translate this into any language which you want to read, in which you want to read. So if you want to translate this into Hindi, the Google book provides so many languages. So let me go to now Hindi part. Hindi. So if you tap this, then this entire paragraph is translated into Hindi language, and you can easily read it. Or if you are from South India and you want to read this in Telugu or Kannada, then go to Telugu here. Where is it? Is I J K L M N O P Q R S T. So many languages are there. N O P Q R S T. Okay, so tap Telugu and you get this in Telugu translation. That means the whole book, the entire book can be translated into any one of the languages you wish to study. And in EMRS, if you want to study it in Telugu medium, you can study in Telugu, or if you want to study the same in Kannada, you can translate this into Kannada. See here, it got translated. This is one of the advantages. Then another advantage is using this Google book is, now let me again tap, select this part. Okay, now come to this book symbol, A symbol, correct, last one. Tap this one. If there is any content provided inside, you will get it. If no content is found, then you can go for search web. So if you want to know more about 1813 Charter Act, then tap search web. It will take directly into the Google Chrome browser, and here you can read the Charter Act of 1813 was the British East Indian Company's first formal commitment to education in India, allowing an annual sum of 1 lakh for the revival of literature and encouragement of learned natives. If you want to listen to this, you play just.
The Charter Act of 1813 was the British East India Company's first formal commitment to education in India.
Okay, or if you want to watch video on this, then come to videos. Okay, so there are so many videos available. You can watch this one. For example, this video, let me play.
Hello friends, in today's video we will discuss in detail a very important topic, that is Charter Act 1830.
Okay, so you can even read extra information, you can even watch videos, or you can even write the notes also. So let me go back to the books. So now this is the book and you can read it ebook like a normal book, because the font size is clear, or if you want to increase the font size, just enlarge it. Okay, so there are so many advantages are in this ebooks or in this Google books. Or if you want to even highlight, you can add your own highlights and notes, select text to highlight it or add to note, we will save it. All right, so you can select any part of this. For example, first national policy on education. Okay, and you add it, so you can, and you can add notes. Okay, if for example you did not understand what is the first national policy on education, so I'll type like this: national policy on education. Okay, now what you can do, now just go with select all. Now see here, cut, copy, autofill, find selection, lookup, translate, search web, share. If you select find selection, it will find all those words. And if you want to look up, just tap lookup, and here you get what is this national education policy, national policy on education. You go on reading. Okay, and if you want to read further, you can press this National Education Policy Center, tap it, and that will take you directly into that website of that particular department, National Education Policy Center, and you can read further. So these are the advantages or benefits of Google book. Okay, if you don't want to save, then just tap it and you can come back into this. So instead of purchasing one hard copy which has no other benefit other than just reading it, this Google book has so many advantages. You get so many options. You can read it, you can listen to this, you can browse additional information, you can search additional information, and most importantly, you can translate this entire information into your mother tongue and you can read it. Or if you want to bookmark it, you can tap this one, it will become a bookmark, so you can come back and there are whatever the chapters are available, those chapters are here. Bookmark, you can mark book and you can come back and you can read. So what I want to tell you that you purchase hard copy, that has very limited what you call advantage. If you purchase this Google book, you have unlimited advantages. So please try to understand, this is the 21st century, it's a modern era, we are living in the modern age, so we also should get modernized according to the developments in the technology. If you use this book, it will help you in so many ways to clear your tier 1 examination. So that's why I again and again recommend, again suggest you to go for ebooks or to go for Kindle books or Google books, because there are so many features involved in this, and you can use this book more efficiently if you purchase a book. And finally, one more thing, the ebook price is very less, or the Google book price is very less compared to the print or hard copy and paperback. So I hope you understood. Let me demonstrate once again. For example, you take anyone, let us go to some difficult questions. Okay, you might thinking history can be easily translated, all those, but let us go to the what you call reasoning ability. In EMRS we have reasoning ability, that you know. So if you don't understand, most of you have problem with the reasoning ability part, so let me show you how the reasoning ability part can be understood using this technology. Okay, so now here, okay, let me go to the, okay, this one, education policy, correct? Okay, I'm just trying to go back and front. I want to show you how reasoning ability questions can also be understood using this Google book. Okay, all right, now see here. Okay, now let me just show you one. Here you can see from his 21st question, from his office Sunil went 8 kilometers east, then 6 kilometers south, then 8 kilometers west, and finally 6 kilometers north. How far is he from the starting point? So 0 kilometers, 6 kilometers, 8 kilometers, 14 kilometers. So these are the general reasoning or reasoning ability questions in EMRS. Now if you try to find answers in the book, then it will take a lot of time to understand. But if you use this book, this ebook or Google book, now what is the advantage? Let me just show you. Select this one. Okay, you have to just select this, brought it here, bring it here. Okay, now then you press this one, search web. Now see, the Google is showing you the answer. So the final distance Sunil is from his starting point is 0 kilometers, it is showing. Sunil movements effectively cancel each other out. He travels 8 kilometers east and then 8 kilometers west, returning to his original east-west position. Similarly, he travels 6 kilometers south and then 6 kilometers north, returning to its original north-south position. Since he ends up at the exact location where he started, his displacement from the starting point is 0. Now come back, open this Google book and see the answers. The 4 options are there and the 0 kilometers is the right answer option. So these are the advantages of using ebooks. Please update yourself, upgrade yourself, learn technology so that you can use this book for in a better manner and the most effective way to clear the tier 1 examination. Still, if you have doubt, let me show you one more question. This question, correct? You can see this one. I'm trying to highlight it. Okay, okay, I'll show you. Okay, right here. Now let us go back to this one. If you want to translate, you can translate, you can read. Now see, this Google is doing all the work for you. You need not even search for the explanation part. You need not to do the explanation part by yourself. Automatically it will generate the answer. So there are so many advantages are there. You can the AI will generate you answers. You can watch the videos on that particular topic. So here you can see what is the number in the following series. You tap it, 99 explanation answer. So you can browse and you can find out answers to this kind of general reasoning or numeric ability questions also. So let me repeat again I am telling you, please move from the traditional hard copy books to the e-books. I hope this video will help you to understand the benefits of using ebook or Google books, and I hope that you will utilize all these technology advantages and clear your tier 1 EMRS tier 1 examination. Thank you, all the best.